for the entire state, for all the entire Yuvakendra, he was the secretary at that time. He did, various stages he did. And then once he took brahmacharya, he went to become sannyas and all. Now he's, I think I recently saw that for entire India now he is the All India Sikh Sevak.
Right. Yeah. That post he was holding since many years.
Oh, is it? I got moved away from Chinmaya Mission for quite a year, almost for 20 years. So I know only then and now. So in between what happened, I kind of do not know.
Okay, let's start. Let me change my name. Supreme is Purushottama Chandra. Fire. Om Ganana Tva Ganapadigam Avamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspada Anashrunmannutibhisida Sadhanam Om Shri Mahaganadipataye Namaha Om Shri Saraswatye Namaha Om Namah Pranavarthaya Shuddhajnanaikamurtaye Nirmalaya Prashantaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha Sadashiva Samarambham Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gururdevo Maheshwaraha Gurureva Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Chinmayam Vyapiyat Sarvam Trailokyam Sacharacharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Actually, I requested Swamiji to come, but it's too late to talk about Rudram. So maybe next week or some other week, he'll come in. Maybe.
I think he didn't. He misunderstood your timing. When you said 10:30, he thought that 10:30 India time, and so he said maybe it is difficult. So he did not understood that it is an immediate class after this, but maybe he could have done. But I mean, that's fine. I think once we complete it, the last part of it, maybe we can ask him to join and then.
True. Yeah.
So yeah, 25 years back, like he's the one who told, he introduced at least to me that there is something called Rudram, because early morning 4 o'clock it is his schedule. So because of Yuvakendra, right? If sometimes we're like, no, Yagna is over and then all the arrangements are over, he goes to home at 12:30, 1 o'clock. He and I used to go, I mean, if there is an Yagna, we used to put posters also. 1 o'clock we used to complete. And then 4 o'clock again, he used to get up and then start Rudra.
Oh.
Yeah, I had the opportunity to sleep at his in his room for at least a few occasions because of that overnight work. So, I mean, even if you complete Rudram at, one of the pujas at 12 o'clock, 4 o'clock again he will start again Rudram. So like we just now completed, it's like again in the same day, within the same hours, but he said, no, like 1 o'clock I complete, still 4 o'clock he has to get up and then do Rudram again. That is the kind of sadhaka he was.
Oh yeah, wonderful. True. Okay. Where are we? Let's complete this last part, and then do it Trambakam, and then maybe revise the whole thing again. Did somebody drop off? Oh no, that's it, right? Okay.
That's it. Yeah, we need to do that. Namo Rudrebhyo.
Yes.
Others have not read that one.
So this is the last prayer of the last Anuvaka, which is the 11th Anuvaka. Of course, is another portion we can call Anuvaka if you want, starting from Trambakam. So one last push comes of prayer to Lord Rudra. That's why even the words, the sentences are long maybe. When there is one long sentence, right? One final namaskara. But actually, they commented to say it has Vachika, it has Manasika namaskara, right? And of course, there is a Kayika, because we are doing all these 10 fingers together, and then in this mudra, we are praying, right? Namo Rudrebhyo ye Prithivyam. Shantiji, do it.
Namo Rudrebhyo ye Prithivyam.
Is it only for me, or it is muffled, the voice? Maybe I'm using another laptop today, maybe that's why, because, okay. Continue.
Namo Rudrebhyo ye Prithivyam.
It is clear now.
It's clear. Oh, so I put my book like here, maybe that's it.
Okay. Again, do it.
Namo Rudrebhyo ye Prithivyam.
Namo Rudrebhyo ye Prithivyam ye Antarikshe.
Re Swarita.
Yeah, Re Swarita.
Okay. Namo Rudrebhyo ye Prithivyam ye Antarikshe. Namo Rudrebhyo ye Prithivyam ye Antarikshe.
Because of the Prithivyam and then ye Prithivyam ye Antarikshe. Prithivyam ye Antarikshe.
Prithivyam ye Antarikshe. Prithivyam ye Antarikshe.
Namo Rudrebhyo ye Prithivyam ye Antarikshe.
Namo Rudrebhyo ye Prithivyam ye Antarikshe. Namo Rudrebhyo ye Prithivyam ye Antarikshe.
Ye Diviye Shamanam. Ye Diviye Shamanam.
Ye Diviye Shamanam. Ye Diviye Shamanam.
Namo Rudrebhyo ye Prithivyam ye Antarikshe ye Diviye Shamanam.
Namo Rudrebhyo ye Prithivyam ye Antarikshe ye Diviye Shamanam. नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यान् ये अन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नम्
नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यान् येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो
वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो
वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो
वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो
instead of varsha वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो
वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो
नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यान् येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो
नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यान् ये अन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो
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 Do the whole thing.
नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यान् ये अन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो
दश प्राचीर्दश
दश प्राचीर्दश दश प्राचीर्दश
दक्षिणादश
दक्षिणादश दक्षिणादश
दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश
दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश
that use that pra that after dasha prachirdasha dakshinadash
दश प्राचीर्दश
dasha prachirdasha
okay दश प्राचीर्दश दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश
instead of saying dakshina because she is again that sha is there, right? It's also samyukta vyanjana ka and sha. Dakshinadasha
दश दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश
नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यान् येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो वस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश
नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिवा ये नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिवान् ये
No.
पृथिव्यान् नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यान् येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश
दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो like that it goes. Okay, प्रतीचीर्दशो
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 प्रतीचीर्दशो प्रतीचीर्दशो
प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशो
प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशो प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशो
प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो
प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो दश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो
दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोर्दीची sorry दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो
दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो
नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यम्
नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यन् नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यन्
नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यन्द्विष्मो
नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यन्द्विष्वो दिष्मो
ते यन्द्विष्मो ते यन्द्विष्मो
ते यन्द्विष्मो ते यन्द्विष्मो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यन्द्विष्मो द्विष्मो
यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वो
यश्च नो
द्वेष्टितं वो
यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वो
भेदधामि
जम्भे दधामि
नमस्ते Namaste no mridayantu te yandvishmo yascha no dveshtitam vo jambhe dadhami.
Namaste no mrudayantu te yandvishmo yascha no de dveshtitam vo jambhe dadhami. Namaste no mrudayantu te yandvishmo yascha no dveshti tam vojambhe dadhami.
Praticirdaşodicirdaşordvastebhyo namaste no mridayantu te yandvishmo yascha no dveshtitam vo jambhe dadhami.
Praticirdaşodicirdaşordvastebhyo. Praticirdaşodicirdaşordvastebhyo namaste no mrudayantu te yandvishmo yascha no
Dvishmo yascha no dveshtitam vo jambhe dadhami.
Dvishmo yascha no dveshtitam vojambhe dadhami. Dvishmo yascha no dveshtitam vojambhe dadhami.
Namo rudrebhyo ye prathivyanyentarikshe ye divi ye shamannam vato varshamishavasteभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यन्द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वो जम्भे ददामि.
Namo rudrebhyo ye prathivyanye entarikshe ye divye shamanam vato varshamishavasteभ्यो dasha prachir dasha dakshina dasha praticir dasho dichir dashordvastebhyo namaste no mrudayantu te yandvishmo yascha no de dveshtitam vojambhe dadhami.
Good, actually. It's good. Ashish, do it.
नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यान् ये
Hello. There is a static.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Shekhar, sorry, apologies. I have to leave now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यान् ये अन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि ये
Ashish, is your book on the computer like mine? Okay.
Yeah, there is some
Still can't hear me?
noise, background static noise.
I think it's clear. We can hear you, but there is some scratching sound constantly going.
I mean, I'm okay. Should I log out and log back in?
You do that. Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, I'm not even touching my laptop.
I think it's your mic. Yeah. I think there's still some scratching. I think it's your mic, maybe. Maybe log out and log back in.
Yeah, I'll come back in.
Krishnan, continue.
Namo Rudrebhyo ye पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यन् द्विष्मो यश्च नो
मृडयन्तु ते यन्द्विष्मो यश्च नो
मृडयन्तु ते यन् द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वो जम्भे ददामि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यं द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वो जम्भे ददामि
Do it once more.
नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यं द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वो जम्भे ददामि
जम्भे दधामि.
जम्भे दधामि
Ashish, do it.
Still scratching sound?
Better.
Okay, let's try this again. Namo Rudrebhyo ye prithivyan ye'antarikshe ye divi yeshamannam vato varshamishavasteभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यं द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं मृडयन्तु ते यं द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं भोजम्भे दधामि.
Instead of yam, te yam dvishmo.
Te yam द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं भोजम्भे दधामि.
Once more.
Okay. नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यन् द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वोचम्भे दधामि.
Tam wo instead of tam, then praticir dashordvastebhyo. There also the repa has to come out nicely.
Okay.
The last repa. Dashordvastebhyo.
Praticir-dashodicir-dashordhvastebhyo. Okay.
Chandraji, Pruthivyai or Pruthyvyan? Namo Rudrebhyo ye Pruthivyai.
Prithivyaye. Because of the ya.
Vyai.
Because of the ya.
Namo Rudrebhyo ye Pruthivyai ye Antarikshe ye Divi Eshamanau Vato Varushamishavaste Dasha Prachir Dasha Dakshina Dasha Pratichir Dashodhichir Dashortvastebhyo Namaste no mrudayantu te yandvishmo yascha no dveshtitam vojambe dadami. Namo Rudrebhyo ye Pruthivyai ye Antarikshe ye Divi Eshamanau Vato Varushamishavaste Dasha Prachir Dasha Dakshina Dasha Pratichir Dashodhichir Dashortvastebhyo Namaste no mrudayantu te yandvishmo yascha no dveshtitam vojambhe dadami.
So Namo Rudrebhyo is an oral salutation, Vachika. Right? Tebhyo Namaha means mental salutation, Manasika. And of course, we are using all the 10 fingers, Dasha. We are using Dasha, right? That Dasha, the Dasha in Pratichir, Dashodhichir, Dashor, the directions, that eastern direction, western direction, southern direction, northern direction, all that. And then, of course, we are saying Dasha means 10 fingers put together. That is Kayika. So Pravinaji prefers to be on mute because she thinks she is holding up as a bit. So I said we are all started like that only. That's okay. Yeah, but that will help listening on live and practicing. For initially, you want to try, Pravinaji?
Yeah, I can try.
Try.
Namo Rudrebhyo ye Pruthyvya.
Namo Rudrebhyo ye Prithivyanyendarikshye ye Diviye Shamannam.
Namo Rudrebhyo ye Prithivya ye Antarikshe ye Divi.
I think you are not there when we are doing individually. Practice it before.
Okay.
Okay. So Rudrebhyo Prithivyan ye on the Prithvi, Antariksha and Divi in the heavens. They are there to even bless us or even hurt us in the form of, actually there are 3 different salutations done here. One is in the form of Varsham. In the Divi, it is the rain, through rain or through other forms of lightning, they strike us. Vato means air, and Annam means food. So Rudras who exist on earth, so they might use the weapon of Annam. We have seen earlier Annam, right? Food. The bow and arrows are the food only for the Rudras who exist on earth, hurting us or maybe blessing us, of course. So they can disturb us through food, right? Earlier last week, on Thursday, we have seen some food that would not be supposed to be eaten, we eat. And then in the form of Vata, right? There can be pranic disturbances also in the air.
Chandraji, Esha, what is Esham you said? No, Divi is heaven. Esham Annam.
Yeah, here, food.
Esham is here.
Yeah, Esham, for whom? Esham means for whom, for those Rudra Devatas, food could be form of a bow and arrow or something to strike us. Esham for them. And Divi means heavens. Though exist Rudras that exist in heaven, different Devatas. And Tebhyaha, to those Rudras, Dasha with 10 fingers. Prachi facing east. Dasha again with 10 fingers. Pratichi west facing west. Right? Pratichi Dasho. Udichi Dasho. And Dakshina, of course, came the southern direction. Udichi north. Tvastebhyo. And then Namasteno Mridayantu. Make us happy. Vishmo, Eschano, those who dislike us and those who hate us, Dveshti, Tamvo, Jambe Dadami, put in your open mouth. Those who dislike us, those who hate us, those people, you put them into your open mouth. This mouth, mouth is always fire, right? Is always symbolized as a fire. That's what in the 11th chapter we are seeing. Arjuna got frightened by seeing the mouth of the Vishwarupa, Vishnu Bhagavan, Krishna, right? Danshtra karalani chate mukhani cha. He sees the mouth and everybody going inside. All the people, all the warriors were going inside.
So Jambhe is a mouth? Which word?
Jambhe means in your mouth, open, as if it is opened, mouth opened.
And
Jambe, Dadhami means put there, place them. That could be anything, or bad karmas, or need not have to be or those people who dislike us or enemies. Any bad situations, karma phalas.
And Dveshti is hate, those who hate us, and Dvishmo is what?
Dveshti is hating, Dvesham we say, right? Dvishmo means same thing, those who dislike us.
Okay.
Enemies. It could be Antara enemies or Bahya. So with 10 fingers, one final salutation after this is the ending, right? Trambakam is the addition. From Trambakam is addition from all those other mantras some are from Rig Veda. But the Trambakam, of course, is as the Namah Shivaya mantra. Trambakam is also very popular mantra, right? An important mantra. That's why it is added. The tradition, they chant it. Okay. Shall we continue with Trambakam or? So those who are in the heavens, whose rain, Varshamisha Vaste. Varsham is the arrow for them. They can hurt you in different forms of lightning, thunderstorms, right? Or no rain, absence of rain. That is also a problem. And in the middle space, Vata, the wind. Wind is the arrow for them. Those Rudras, those Devatas. They can cause problem. So salutations to them with 10 fingers. Okay. त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. That's how it goes. त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे. सुनीता जी.
त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे
त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे सुगन्धिं
त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे सुगन्धिं त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे सुगन्धिं
त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम्
त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम्
पुष्टिवर्धनम्
पुष्टिवर्धनम् पुष्टिवर्धनम्
त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम्
त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम्
उर्वारुकमिव
उर्वारुकमिव उर्वारुकमिव
उर्वारुकमिव. Instead of
उर्वारुकमिव
urva, that repa has to come nicely.
उर्वारुकमिव उर्वारुकमिव
बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय
बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय
बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय
बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय
मामृतात्
मामृतात् मामृतात्
उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृतात्
उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृतात् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृतात्
त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृतात्
त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृतात् त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृतात्
मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृ, like that. Move going up, right? Swarita.
So mu has Swarita. don't have.
Isn't it? No? There is no Swarita in your book?
No. Mrutyor has Swarita. Mu doesn't have anything.
What about others?
Oh, for Mu, I also don't have Mukshiya.
Yeah. So you put Krishna and Ashish, you have Swarita, right?
I do see Swarita there.
Okay, I will correct it.
Mukshiya. You're talking about that Mu, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bandhanan
in this book.
Mrityormukshiya.
I have that too.
I will correct it, Chandra.
Chant again with that Swarita.
त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्.
And Miva. Urvaruka Miva. Is that right? Me is that right?
Me has a Swarita.
Shantiji?
Trambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanan
That nicely it has to go. Urvaru. All Anudattas.
urvarukamiva bandhanan mrityormukshiyamamritat. Trambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanan mrityormukshiyamamritat.
Once more.
Once more, yes. Trambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanan mrityormukshiyamamritat.
Trambakai, because we are used to that, right? In Yokendra maybe Trayambakam.
Yeah.
That without Swara, that is fine, okay there. But you have to get used to this. Because Swarita is an Triya.
Trambakai yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanan mrityormukshiyamamritat. Trambakai yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanan mrityormukshiyamamritat.
You want to try, Pravinaji? Can't it?
Trambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanan mrityormukshiyamamritat.
Mrityormukshiyamamritat.
Mrityormukshiya.
Go up. Mrityormukshiya.
Mrityormukshiya. Mrityormukshiya.
Better if nicely it has to go. Mrityormukshiya. That Swarita on
Mrityormakshya.
I think we got used to just earlier that mantra. That's why that Swarita is not coming. Bandhanan Rityormukshiyamamritat.
Bandhanan mrityormukshiyamamritat.
Yeah. Krishna.
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्
So it's a very again popular mantra, right? Like Namah Shivaya, as popular and important. When Mrityunjaya Homa they do, right? Mrityunjaya Homa. Using it occurs in many parts of the Veda, not only Krishna Yajurveda, Sama, I mean not Sama, Rig Veda, Atharva Veda, other Samhitas also. It's very popular. So it gives us all the 4 Purusharthas are prayed for here. All 4 Purusharthas means Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha also. Finally, Moksha. Mrityormukshiya mamritaat. Ma amritaat. Please, I should not get released from Mukshiya. I should get released na. Ma means na. Not from immortality. Amritaat. Okay. And Trambakam, 3-eyed, of course. You know that. Virat Rupa. If you say Virat Rupa, it will be sun, moon, and the fire, 3 eyes. Or the 3rd eye could be the eye of Jnana Chakshu, right? Pushti Vardhanam. Pushti means Ardha Kama, you can take that Purusharthas, means material benefits, of course. So this prayer gives us material benefits, right? And then Sugandhim. Of course, Sugandhim here means Dharma Purushartha. Sugandhi means fragrance actually. So Lord Shiva is Sugandhi, fragrant, the fragrant one. Another meaning is he is untouched, is always fragrant. Like us, he is not a Kartha Bhokta. He is not touched by Papa Punyas. Right? So there is no sweat of Papa Punya or Kartha Bhokta in Shiva. So Sugandhim, which we are, of course, in our true nature, that we have to claim. So Sugandhim is a Dharma Purushartha, is also prayed for. Not physical fragrance, right? It's Dharma Purushartha. That fragrance of Dharma. It spreads everywhere. Dharma fragrance, right? So Lord Shiva is embodiment of Dharma. So when we worship, we get the benefit of Dharma. Trambakam, Sugandhim, Pushtivardhanam, Uruvarukam. Uruvarukam, you know, right? What is it?
Like cucumber or dosa.
Cucumber, this. Sometimes people call cucumber, some watermelon, sometimes they say Uruvarukam, because they grow, they are big, right? They are on the ground. And the creeper loosens itself usually for such, for them, like watermelon or cucumber, dosakaya we say in Telugu also. They are on the ground and the creeper loosens itself and it gets separated by itself very easily. So, so we are praying for moksha, right? Shiva gives us moksha purushartha. So they grow on the creeper, and being heavy, they're the ground itself, right? And when ripe, it detaches itself. So let us be ripe in Jnanam so that we detach naturally from the karma bandhas. And let us not detach from ma amritaat, immortality. No. So that is we are praying for moksha purushartha. All purusharthas are covered in this. Nice prayer, right? Trambakam yajami sugandhim pushti. Uruvarukam iva bandhanat mrityor mukshiya mamritaat. Like that watermelon or cucumber, like how it gets separated easily when it is ripe, like that we should get released from karma
So I
bandha,
thought
death.
you said not immortality. We are not asking immortality. We are
We
asking
are.
moksha.
Let us not get released. Let us not get separated from ma amritaat. Let us get separated from all the bandhas, but not from the highest purusha moksha. Ma amritaat. Ma, not from that amrutam. Amrutam means, of course, gnanam only, right? Once we gain gnanam, in a way that is amrutam. It is not after death or something. Now here, jivan mukti. So praying for the gnanam.
Oh, I thought I don't want immortality. I want moksha, something like that.
Yeah, immortality
No.
in a way moksha only, right?
Right. So I am wrong.
Immortality means
So
yeah,
literal,
Atma doesn't have anyway all these bandhas anyway. So I am asking for that final knowledge, that gnanam. So grace of Ishvara for crossing the so-called death that this body and has, and gaining immortality. Trambakam. Yeah, nice prayer. Today there is no, Shruti ji, we don't have Gita because we're running late, right? So we have 10 more minutes. Huh? Yo rudro agno yo apsuya oshadishu yo rudro vishva bhuvanadivesha tasmai rudraya namo astu. There it goes. Krishna. Yo rudro
your Ru is Anudatta, right?
you Ru Anadatta, right?
Yo Rudro
Agnavyo
Yo Rudro Agnavyo Yo Rudro Agnavyo
Apsuya Oshadishuyo
Apsuya Oshadhi
Apsuya
Oshadhishuyo Apsuya Oshadhishuyo
Yo Rudro Agnavyo Apsuya Oshadishuyo
Yo Rudro Agnoyo Apsuya Oshadhishuyo Yo Rudro Agnoyo Apsuya Oshadhishuyo
Oshadishuyo Rudro Vishva
Oshadhishuyo Rudro Vishwa Oshadhishuyo Rudro Vishwa
Vishva Bhuvana
Vishwa Vishwabhuvana
Viveshatasmai
Viveshatasmai
Rudraya Namo
Rudraya Namo
Astu
Rudraya Namo Astu
Oshadishuyo Rudro Vishva Bhuvana Viveshatasmai Rudraya Namo Astu
Oshadhishuyo Rudro Vishwabhuvana विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु
यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सुय ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु
यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सुय ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सुय ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु
शांति
यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो
अग्नौ यो
यो
अग्नौ यो
रुद्रो अग्नौ यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सुयोषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सुयोषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो
तस्मै
विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सुयोषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु.
Again praying for Rudra. Again, you are in the Agni. Agno yo apsu means water. Waters. Apaha. Apsuya oshadishu. Oshadi means not herbs or plants, trees, anything. Vishwa bhuvana. You all spread everywhere. Vishwa bhuvana vivesha. Spreading, you are all pervading. Vishwa bhuvana vivesha. Tasmai to you. Rudraya namo. Again, salutations to you again and again. Right? Smita ji, do it.
So, Chandraji, in this line we have 3 pauses, right?
1, 2,
Namo astu.
3 pauses, yeah.
Yo rudro agnau yo apsuyoshadishu yo rudro vishwa bhuvana vivesha tasmai rudraya namo astu. Yo rudro agnau yo apsuyoshadishu yo rudro vishwa bhuvana vivesha tasmai rudraya namo astu.
Perfect. Ashish.
Yo rudro agno yo apsuya oshadhishu yo rudro vishva bhuvana vivesha tasmai rudraya namo astu.
After that, Namo. After that also pause.
Namo astu. Okay. Yo rudro agno yo apsuya Apsuya oshadhishu yo rudro vishva bhuvana vivesha tasmai rudraya namo astu.
Kavinaji, you want to try?
Yo Rudro Agno Yo.
Agnau, there is no Swarita on yo, right? So it has to be, that Gnau yo has to be on the same line. Agnau yo.
Agno Yo. Yo Rudro Agno Yo. Apsuya. Oshadishu Yo Rudro.
Oshadishu yo rud. Oshadishu.
Oshadishu Yo Rudro Vishwa Bhuvana
Vishva bhuvana vivesha tasmai.
Vishwa Bhuvana Vivesha Tasmai Tasmai Rudraya Namo Astu.
One second.
Yo Rudro Agno Yo Apsuya Oshadishu Yo.
Continue.
Okay. Oshadishu Yo Rudro Vishwa Bhuvana Vivesha Tasmai Rudraya Namo Astu.
Okay. Rudraya Namo Astu. Tamushtu Hishyasveshu Sudhanvayo Vishvasya Kshayati Beshajasya. So next one goes. Anyways, noon, 12 o'clock. So on Thursday technically we finished Rudram 11th Anuvaka, right? And the remaining part we'll finish on Thursday.
So this Kartika ends on Monday, I think. So we finished before that. Thank you so very much, Chandraji.
Yeah, His Grace.
Yes.
So Chandraji, can we only read this Rudram without Chamakam? We can only read Rudram without Chamakam.
The Chamakam, you ask everything.
For bones.
For all, whatever
we want.
So usually after, it's a tradition, but sannyasis, for them only Rudram only enough. If you want more, you can do Chamakam. But traditionally we chant Chamakam also.
You said that there is Lagunyasam something.
Lagunyasam we'll do after Chamakam.
Lagunyasam,
right? Okay, prayers and
Dhyanam.
Dhyanam, and not all of it has swaras, only part of it has swaras. So it's easy. Only Dhyana mantras are. Some of them have swaras, like Agdirme Vachishtritaha and all that. Okay. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Asato Ma Sadgamaya, Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Tat Sat. Thank you. See you in the evening. You all coming, right, for the Gita? Ashish prepared the story?
Yeah, I found a story